A trend went around on TikTok recently that involved watching a movie, but having the 1 hour of silence occasionally broken by the Vine boom sound effect playing in the background, which will lead to some pretty funny timing in the movie. So I thought, what if you did this but with a game, like Phasmophobia? So I gathered some of my friends and we set out to see what would happen. If you enjoy this at any point, make sure to like and subscribe, I guess, because it'll help me create more stuff, and also because I love you. Enjoy it, I guess. Goodbye.
Can Anthony? Ah! I almost spilt my ice everywhere.
He's getting hydrated, okay?
I know. Your mom's getting hydrated.
Look at you go, what do you mean?
Oh! Oh! No! I got sick.
On a dark desert highway,
Anyway,
cool wind in my hair.
my hair.
Where are the car keys?
Ah.
Them what's around far away. Middle of the night. Such a lovely face. Shut up in the hotel California.
Ew.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Whoa. I picked up a phone, I think. I can't do anything with it.
Hey guys! Guys, who are you?
Me? Wow.
Wow.
I was turning you white.
I was already white.
No, you're not!
I'm not?
No!
Wait, what? There's no mirror.
Are you here?
Michael Robinson.
Bobbin.
Robin Bin?
Michael Bobbin.
Michael Bobbinson?
Michael Bobbin.
Michael Bobbinson?
Michael Bob.
Michael Bobbin?
Michael Bobbinson.
Michael Robinson? How you feel?
Bumper 15. Burger big but better.
The best thing who bought Bumper Burger King
Best
Burger.
Michael Bobbinson, do you listen to the Eagles?
Out. Michael Robinson, are you in the basement? Silly little fella? Michael. You're not Michael. Oh my gosh, that's terrifying.
What happened?
Look outside.
What is it? Oh! Oh my god!
Michael.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys!
What?
Look!
It's Tasha.
Why she look like that?
I don't know. Oh.
I got 2 lights.
Huh?
Where are you?
I'm getting a 3.
Are you here?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
He's in the lamp.
So it's in... It's in this area.
Michael Bobbinson.
Michael
This area.
Robinson?
Michael Robinson? Is he shy? I'm going to the band to see if he's shy.
Okay, he's gone.
Michael.
Is anything happening?
Michael, don't leave me here. Michael. The light is flickering.
Where?
Is he haunted?
Look.
Or is it just flickering?
Disco!
Anthony,
Michael,
flickering.
stop. This
Stop.
isn't you. Michael, are you here?
This isn't. Oh my gosh!
I'm not listening to that.
He's like it. The ghosts are like
It's
invisible
invisible.
now.
It's invisible. It's invisible.
It
What
just
do you
looked
mean
like
it's
water.
invisible?
It just looked like water.
Oh.
Like there was just like a glass person just like sliding. So it's like right here.
Oh, you saw. Okay.
By the way, What?
There's a
and
handprint.
what's that like
Yeah.
fingerprints?
Yeah. Fingerprints. Is it an EMF level 5 or?
I don't know. Oh!
Oh!
Ew!
No!
It sounded so.
No!
Michael sounds like a drug dealer.
Did it talk to you? It just like breathed in my ear.
It was like, ooh. Michael.
Michael.
Michael. Oh my gosh, that's scared me.
No! No, that door just opened by itself.
What
The door
door?
opened by itself.
What door?
That one.
Which
The
one?
bathroom one.
The bathroom door's
The
already
other
open.
one!
Was it not open
No,
already?
it wasn't. I just watched it open by itself. Like,
Michael.
like you were turned around.
Michael, are you
were
taking
the
a
other
shower?
way. Michael.
Taking a shower?
Whoa! I didn't know the shower turned on. Michael.
Michael.
Michael. Michael.
Michael.
Whoops.
Are you here?
Michael.
Michael, give us a sign. Michael, give us a sign.
Where do you
Michael,
place
give us
this?
Michael, give us a sign.
Oh.
Michael, that's the sign.
Oh, I thought he just like yanked your
The
flashlight out
lamp
of
is
your
flickering.
hand.
The lamp was flickering. Michael.
Oh god, the lamp is flickering.
Oh my gosh.
Flickering. Whoa! It's flickering!
Michael.
Michael,
Oh.
give us a sign. Oh.
Michael, do something, you
Um,
pussy.
Can y'all like bring the stuff in the house and put it on the floor so we can actually get something done?
Michael.
Okay, who put the book on the floor without opening it?
You have to open it?
You have to open it. Yeah. You have to open it. There you go. Stupid.
Look at the light.
Oh my god. Oh.
Wait,
Oh,
can we
the
go in
light
the
is
attic?
flickering. That's-
Can we?
No.
They put an attic here and we can't even
Michael,
go in
can
it?
you show your...
Oh no! Oh, Michael! Michael!
Michael, can you
Oh,
show
he
yourself?
wrote in the book? No.
Did he? Oh.
Of course he wouldn't. Well, Michael would
can
not
you
write in the
show
book.
yourself? Also, like, when they, appear, your camera, like, goes fuzzy.
What camera?
I have a
Oh.
camera in my hand, idiot. What are y'all doing?
Sorry.
So why can't we open the door?
Michael? Is it funny, Michael?
Why can't we open the door?
Oh no.
Stop.
Michael turned off all the lights.
I know I have chills.
Didn't know he was that kind of guy.
Can y'all come put the equipment on the floor so we can actually get some readings?
I already put a thingy down. I think he's in
Did you
here.
Where's our spirit box? We need to put it down.
But you're a hug.
It's already spirit box. How do you eat it?
So every
Michael!
single.
You're a what?
Can we find the cursed item?
I already used spirit box. It's already spirit
I'm
I'm
box.
turning off the
Always
shower. It's
cursed
annoying.
Did Michael
Yeah.
open every single cabinet?
Did he
Michael
what?
would do that.
Did uh-oh.
Oh, we're dead.
Oh, we offended Michael. He apparently feels very strongly about his cabinets. What? No! No!
Why did it shut up?
Oh man. Rest
How
in
did
peace,
you get
me.
it killed?
I guess.
I was running in here and I closed the door on him.
Oh my god.
Sucks to suck, I guess.
Ah!
Who died?
Mason, are you live? Mason, are you live?
Welcome.
Oh.
Did he start like talking to you?
No, but he was like, you could hear. Did you hear like different stuff when he was hunting you?
No, I just heard the same
Because it sounded
thing,
like he was like, you heard it. I'd have to like go back in the recording.
When he was hunting you, he like started talking. He was like, oh. Did I fall in the toilet when I died on your screen?
No.
Because my dead body's sitting there, I'm just on the toilet.
So you're like right here. Where are they?
But they left. Can I still flick the car?
What?
Oh man. I was gonna see
You
if I
can
could still
throw stuff at
like,
him.
make the car go. There's like a severed hand attached to the can.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there is.
Oh.
Get out of here.
No! Don't leave! Don't.
You guessed what the ghost was.
Oh.
Who is doing that?
Lamp is a flashlight.
A what?
Huh?
A what?
Huh?
What?
What do you have?
Just listening to like old.
Is this like
music.
Tom and Jerry?
I was
Ready
gonna
up!
say,
Ready
we're at
up!
the end of time.
Ready up, mommy.
Mason. Oh. Okay, I'm starting it.
Whoa. What is it? I can't see.
This is.
Oh,
Is this
my
the first
girl.
house? Okay, this is the first house. Okay.
Oh, the power's off already. Great. Oh,
My
okay.
favorite house.
What?
Oh, never mind.
Who touched the car?
Who broke into the car?
Who did that? Mason?
Oh my gosh, this is terrifying already. It's already hunting.
What? It is?
The lights are flickering.
No, they're not.
They were in there.
Well, our flashlights have to flicker for it to be hunting.
Well, why are the lights? You.
Yeah, I see that.
Dang!
Oh my gosh.
Where are y'all and why did y'all leave?
I'm getting a flashlight.
Hurry up, please.
This ghost is going like ham on the lights. Is there a ghost that's like known for flickering lights constantly?
I don't know. Maybe.
Let me read out every single one individually.
Oh, okay. Stop flickering the lights! What's her name? Margaret Clark? Stop.
Margaret, stop.
Margaret. Stop! Okay, you don't tell her to stop. You don't tell her to stop. You don't tell her to stop. You don't.
She sounds like a bed.
Mama! No!
Oh.
Hell no.
Don't.
Oh, hell no. You're my Five Guys.
Did you say you're going to Five Guys?
EMF 5.
5.
Oh.
Get in the closet.
I was like,
I'm
I want to go to
scared.
Five Guys.
Turn your flashlight off.
Margaret, can you stop? Please. Who has like the EMF and the other thing?
I have the spirit box. Oh wait.
Oh, okay.
Are
Just
you-
like turn it on and
Margaret,
throw
are
it in the
you here?
middle.
Margaret. How old are you?
Oh.
Margaret. Margaret.
Margaret! Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that stop.
Calm down.
Guys, we're vlogging.
Someone absolutely peed
The
in his
kids in the
Cheerios.
house
You beat me to it.
in New Orleans.
Crazy too.
Dude, can she stop? She's so annoying.
Y'all ain't
What?
stupid. Y'all ain't stupid.
Is Mason dead?
Oh,
Mason,
I don't know where he is.
if you're dead, throw a plate at me. Mason, if you're dead, throw anything at me. You're the alive a minute ago.
Let's go check the van. See if he's here.
Oh.
No, he's still.
No,
He's still alive and well.
He's just hiding. Or he's not responding.
Are we playing hide and seek?
Mason, where are you?
Where are you? I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
Cannot sleep. Cannot breathe tonight.
Night.
As I stare at a kid. Away from all the spoilers.
What is that? Who are you? Oh.
Catching things and eating their insides. But don't waste your time on me. No, friendy.
I found a pelvic bone.
Let's go! I love the pelvis. It's my second favorite bone.
Really? What's
Yeah.
your first one? I did not mean to drop my
The
flashlight.
phalange.
What is a phalange?
Your finger bone. Is the penis a bone?
No.
Okay.
There's no bone in it.
How would you know?
It's just like... Yeah, because I'm not stupid, unlike you. Margaret Clark. Oh, she turned on the lights when I walked in the room. That
Thank
was
you,
nice.
Margie.
Unless that was...
Oh.
Oh.
Margie, are you here? Of course you want to talk to us. You... She got an attitude.
She does.
So we can roll out the spirit box. Right?
I guess so. Unless she's not in this room. Oh, I got chills.
Should we go in the basement?
Yeah,
Yeah, let's go to the
first.
basement.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, look at the...
Has Mason been the one flickering the lights?
Mason!
Are you serious? Are you Is this a joke? Oh my gosh.
Are you serious?
It was you the entire time.
I despise you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
I thought they
I-
added like a new ghost that flickers the whole lights throughout the entire game, and I was like, whoa, that's so
Yeah.
cool.
I know,
Thanks
I
for,
was like, wow,
thanks
that's
for a good
so
TikTok,
awesome.
guys. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Mason was the Margaret Clark the entire time. Oh my gosh.
You were like, oh, she turned on the lights right when I walked in, and then I turned them off.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! She figured it out too. She is upset at the impersonation. Margaret, are you here?
Okay, we're good.
Margaret Clark, give us a sign.
Okay, so what room is she in?
I don't know, we walked in the kitchen and she started like... Margaret, are you here?
It's freezing in here.
Oh!
What happened, Kai?
Freezing temperatures.
Yeah,
Okay,
I went,
freezing
Margaret, are you
temps.
here? And she flickered the lights, and then my like box went.
Oh yeah.
Level
She's trying
5
to get
spirit
in her
box,
car.
or level 5 EMF.
So,
Oh, okay. So freezing temps and spirit box.
can y'all walk in
Okay,
with me?
who
So I
put
can put
this
some
here?
salt on the ground.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Where do I put it? It's like there. F. Did one of y'all step in
Oh
the
my gosh,
salt?
guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I have some cock.
Yo, can people step in salt,
Give me-
or can only ghosts?
I have no idea.
Okay, cause. Okay, it's just ghosts.
Okay, no,
well,
it's
she's-
only ghosts.
Yeah, she stepped in that one like immediately.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Is
she
that a
stepped.
piece
She
of
stepped in
evidence?
all the salt.
Margaret Clark. Margaret Clark. Margaret Clark.
Alright,
Margaret
get it.
Clark.
Do we have the
Margaret Clark.
camera for a picture
Ah.
of that?
Margaret
Picture
Clark.
of what?
Margaret
Salt?
Clark.
Of the
Margaret
salt.
Clark.
Maybe. Let's go check.
Margaret Clark. You give us a sign. Ah, okay. I don't want the sign. I don't want a sign. I don't want a sign. I don't want a sign. I don't want a
No! Why would you?
So Morgan's dead is what I'm gathering from this one.
Is she? Where'd she go? Hello?
Hello.
Last time we tried to do that, we did like the cult thing, and then we summoned the ghost.
What
and y'all
cult thing?
Y'all told me to throw the
Oh, yeah.
crucifix at it, and then I died immediately.
That is not what we told you to do.
Yes, you did. You told me throw it at the ghost or hold it up to the ghost. I did both, and it Still killed me.
I didn't know about the ritual thing. With that, I have no idea. But usually with a ghost, you just like throw it down, and then
That
they
was the scariest thing I've ever done.
what?
She was hunting, and I was like in the house,
Oh.
and she was like right beside me.
Oh.
What? It says have a
Okay,
member
who's going in
escaped.
with me?
Now 2 people have escaped, and it's.
I'm going to throw this into the room.
Is that recording?
Where'd you put it?
Right there.
No, the clip thing has to be out.
Ooh.
Ah!
No! Morgan died.
Oh, wonderful.
One of y'all? Can one of y'all? Like, can one of y'all come inside and while I turn the camera back on?
Anthony, go for it.
Steven's still.
Welcome back. I've got
The twins?
I knew
There
it!
was two?
I knew it!
There were
Can you
two?
guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We couldn't
can
hear
now
you before.
I was trying to tell y'all that I heard children laughing.
Oh,
I heard
yeah,
that,
so did
but I didn't know that meant that.
I thought the twins meant to be 2 ghosts. I'm disappointed.
Yeah, me too.
There kinda were.
There was.
There was
I
one in the
guess there were.
garage and one in that hallway.
Sorry, I had to tell some kid I'm not gay by sending him hentai, so.
Oh.
That'll get him.
We're here. Take a look at the equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation.
Oh no, this guy's British. Wait.
Who's British? What?
I just realized the narrator's British.
Be careful. You're going in.
He's like Australian,
Be
idiot.
careful. You're going in.
Yeah, that's Australian.
You're Australian.
Thank you.
Mason, if you go to the generator and just do that again in the giant school,
What?
we're
Oh my
not
God.
having any of that. Where's the generator? Where's the
Where did y'all
generator?
go?
That scared me.
Oh my god.
Good. Good. Good.
Good.
Good.
Good.
Oh my
Good.
god, Anthony.
Why is that so
Sounds
loud?
terrifying.
Yes.
I'm going to the
Good.
van and looking at the map to find out where the generator is.
Oh, okay.
No.
I wish we could understand Anthony.
Nope.
No.
Nope. Yes.
No.
Do you love God?
No.
Do you love God?
God is good.
Do you love God?
God is good.
Wow, wow.
God is great. God is good.
I'm lost. Guys, I don't know where I am.
Take a left. Go back and take a left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, gonna take a right.
Oh, okay.
Yes, keep walking that way. Mason's like around the corner.
Hello.
Do you want me to show where the generator is?
Mason just scared the life out of me. I almost peed my pants. Mason's telling me to pee my pants.
Yeah, keep going that way. No. Yeah, no,
Huh?
Morgan, take a right and go that way.
What? Okay.
No, don't go backwards. Yes, keep going that way. Oh my gosh. Okay, now take a right and go down the stairs. That's a left. Take a right. I said right!
Right.
Down the stairs.
Okay.
Whoa.
I don't.
Someone had a temper tantrum on the chalkboards. Oh man!
Huh? What?
I turned
Oh.
on the lights and all of them went off.
Oh my god.
And it's okay, the generator's like right here, so. Do y'all wanna like leave?
Among Us book.
I don't know, dude.
Do y'all want to leave
Among Us book.
and then let Anthony quit? And
No. No, I'll just talk in the Discord.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure the ghost is upstairs. I heard a telephone.
What's the ghost name again?
What?
It's like. Hey guys, there's a levitating door.
What?
There's a door levitating
What? Where?
over here.
Oh. Wait, what are you talking about?
In here. In the
Okay,
front.
my thing in the thing is not working.
Oh, there is a levitating door. Hello.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh man.
Who keeps sniffling?
ring.
Blow your nose.
Anthony, that's literally you.
It's not. What the heck is this room?
Maybe it's the
It
ghost.
isn't.
What is this?
The ghost has a cold.
Look at this room.
What room?
What room?
There's
Where did
like-
you go? I'm so lost.
Whoa, it's a church.
Speech,
this is
speech,
Oh, am I getting
speech,
a
speech.
This
Please.
is speech.
Nope. I heard a.
Yeah, the phone's knocked off. The phone is like. Oh. I hear him.
Michael Jones? No, it was Michael Brown.
Michael Brown.
Ooh.
I heard it. I heard it.
No.
What happened? Ah! What just happened?
Anthony died.
We found his room.
I
at
died.
least. Oh.
Oh no.
Quick, let's get out of there.
Wait, so he's in this room, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not cold in here
Michael. Michael, write in the book.
though. Where's the book?
Do it, you won't.
Open it? Okay, good. You opened it this time.
Uh-oh, I hear heart beating.
Michael, write the book.
Are you done? Are you done?
Morgan,
Hmm?
lean light.
What? Huh?
Lean light.
Lean light.
Lean light.
I love lean.
I love. Oh my, lean.
Lean.
Then Mason. When did Mason die?
Wait, what?
Mason's over here just passed out on the floor.
Oh, you died?
When did this happen?
Oh my gosh.
Mason, Ah! Okay, let's.
Yeah, I
leave.
died a while ago. I don't know what y'all are talking about.
Oh my god.
Morgan, you literally walked over my body and just didn't even notice me.
How do we leave?
Yeah, that sounds like a me thing to do.
I hate this map so much.
Me either.
Yeah, so do I.
That what floor sign scares me.
Caution, wet floor. Ha!
Uh-huh.
Whoa! Whoa, wet
I want to make an
floor.
Among Us video. Do you hear that?
I hear the.
Did Shell get any evidence?